Everyone's looking pretty excited.
Konichiwa kimono wearers and friends, we are currently headed up the Yamabiko second floor chair to almost the top of the resort. From up here you can access 5 Yamabiko runs, all of them red, plus tree skiing and plenty of fun.
Heading down one of the Yamabiko runs. I'll work it out which one later.
We're starting on Yamabiko D straight off the second floor chair, and then we divert onto Yamabiko C. On previous trips we've filmed a bit of the Yamabiko runs and the trees. I'll leave some links in the description. As usual, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!